parabola. You must remember, parabola only exists. Okay, you will only exist either x squared or y squared. If you have both x squared and y squared on an equation, then that will be a circle. I think this one should be okay, right? Okay, so today or now we just focus in x squared first. Is that okay? Okay, I think just make it simple. Okay, so for x squared, okay, you must remember one thing. For x squared, okay, so for x squared, okay, you must remember, if you found out x squared, right? So x is like a mirror, okay? You can just write x is like mirror, or act like a mirror, okay? Meaning to say that it will be reflects on x-axis. Okay, what does it mean? So meaning to say that, for example, this is your x-axis, am I right? So your parabola will be either smiley face or sad face because it reflects on the x. Is it okay? So how do you know is smiley face or sad face? If smiley face, okay, so this one will be when p larger than 0. Okay, in other words, p is positive. Okay, if let's say sad face, okay, or you have a maximum point here, okay, so this one will be p less than 0. In other words, p is negative value. Okay, so I think should be okay, right? Okay, let us proceed. I give you an example, or maybe in general first. Okay, assume that we have the first one. Assume that your p-value is larger than 0. Okay, so how will be the graph looks like? Okay, for sure it will be a smiley face. Am I right? Okay, so where will be your vertex? Okay, do remember your vertex is your minimum point. Okay, your vertex is your minimum point. So from here, highlight your h and k. H is your x unit and k is your y unit or y coordinate. I think should be okay, right? Okay, now always remember, focus point will be happen to be inside the curve. Okay, will be always inside the curve. Okay, so this will be your focus point. Okay, this will be your focus point. Okay, always remember the focus point will be always inside the curve. Okay, then where will be your directrix line then? Okay, your directrix line will be the alternate one. So since vertex is inside the curve, so focus point is inside the curve that is above the vertex, so means your directrix will be below the vertex. Okay, this must be straight now. Okay, you can set this will be straight. Okay, so this will be a straight line. Okay, so this will be a straight line. Okay, in other words, this will be your directrix line. Okay, this is your directrix. Okay, whereby y equal to what? Is that okay? So how do you know what will be the common distance then? Do remember your common distance is based on your p-value. Okay, your common distance is on your p-value. Okay, so both is happen to have your p-value. Okay, this is common distance. Is that okay? So now let us further. How about when your P is less than 0? If your P is less than 0, meaning to say that you will have a set face. Okay, you will have a set face. So where will be your vertex then? Your vertex will be your maximum point. Okay, so this is your vertex point. Do remember, highlight your H and K. Okay, so excuse me. So where will be your focus point? Okay, your focus point, as I said, will be always inside the curve. Okay, and where will be your directrix line then? Your directrix line will be above your vertex. Okay, will be above your vertex. Okay, will be above your vertex. So this will be your directrix line. Okay, so this will be your directrix line. So again, your directrix will be y equal to something. Okay, so is that okay? So again, where will be your common distance? Again, your common distance based on the p-value that you have. Okay, so both of it is based on your p-value. Is that okay? The symbol is just represent the direction of your, or the position of your parabola. Is it okay? Okay, so apart from it, they have one more thing that you may need to know. That is the coordinate itself. Okay, now when it's x squared, meaning to say that your symmetrical line, okay, your symmetrical line here is happen on x. Okay, in other words, your x coordinate will be remain. Okay, so in this case will be h. Is it okay? Same goes with your focus point. So in this case, your focus point will be h. Is it okay? So the only changes will be on your y coordinate. So what will be your answer for your y coordinate? Okay, on the focus point will be, because the focus point is above the vertex, so means that you will have k plus the p. Okay, so how about the directrix then? The directrix is below the vertex, right? Okay, so you have k minus p. Is that okay? Okay, so let us go for p less than 0. So when p less than 0, same thing. Do remember your vertical line or your symmetrical line, okay, will be x equal to h, because the h coordinate will not be changed. Okay, and now what will be the coordinate or the points of your focus point? So again, h will be remain. Okay, since focus point is below your vertex point, so it means that you will have k minus p. Okay, how about your directrix line then? Okay, your directrix line here is above your vertex. Can you see it's above your vertex? So meaning to say that you will have plus, so you have k, you will have k plus p. I think should be okay, right? So this will be the general information for x squared. Okay,